Have you ever checked your bank account a few days after getting your salary and thought, wait, where did all my money go? You got paid just a few days ago. You didn't buy a house. You didn't buy a luxury car. You didn't even feel like you spent that much. And yet somehow, your bank balance is already dropping fast. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your salary probably isn't disappearing because of one huge expense. It's disappearing because of dozens of small decisions that happen automatically throughout the month. A food delivery here, a subscription there, a shopping order, a few online purchases, an expensive EMI, weekend entertainment, and suddenly your entire salary is gone. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why your salary disappears so fast, where your money is actually going, and how you can take control without living like a miser. Let's start with the biggest reason. Number one, you treat your salary as spending money. The moment your salary arrives, your brain sees the entire amount as available money. Let's say you earn Rs 50,000 per month. You look at your bank account and see Rs 50,000. Your brain thinks, I have Rs 50,000. But that's not really true. You don't have Rs 50,000 to spend. Some of that money already has a job. Rent, food, electricity, transportation, insurance, savings, investments, bills, and emergencies. So instead of thinking, I have Rs 50,000 pound, think, I have Rs 50,000 that needs to be divided. This small mental change can completely change the way you spend. Number two, lifestyle inflation. This is one of the biggest reasons people never feel richer, even when their salary increases. Imagine you earn Rs 30,000 per month. You get a promotion and now earn Rs 50,000. You might think, finally, I can enjoy life, so you upgrade your phone. You start eating at better restaurants. You take more cabs instead of public transport. You subscribe to more services. You buy clothes more frequently. Maybe you even take a bigger apartment or a more expensive car. Your income increased by Rs 20,000, but your expenses also increased by Rs 20,000. So you're earning more, but saving almost the same amount. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it can keep you financially stuck for years. The solution isn't to never enjoy your salary. The solution is simple. When your income increases, don't increase your lifestyle by the same amount. If you get a Rs 10,000 raise, maybe use Rs 6,000 for saving and investing, and enjoy the remaining Rs 4,000 pound. That way, your lifestyle improves, but your financial future improves even faster. Number three, small expenses don't feel dangerous. Here's something interesting. Most people don't become financially stressed because of one Rs 500 purchase. It's the repetition. Rs 200 for coffee, Rs 400 for food delivery, Rs 300 for snacks, Rs 500 for an online order, Rs 1000 for entertainment, another Rs 700 for something you didn't really need. Each purchase feels small, but let's say you spend just Rs 300 extra every day. That's around Rs 9,000 per month. And that's more than Rs 1 lakh in a year. Suddenly, those small expenses don't look so small. This doesn't mean you should stop buying coffee or enjoying your weekends. Instead, start asking one question before spending. Would I still buy this if I had to pay for it in cash right now? That one question can stop a surprising number of impulse purchases. Number four, subscriptions. You forgot about subscriptions are designed to feel painless. Rs 99 here, Rs 199 there, Rs 499 somewhere else. You might have subscriptions for music, streaming, cloud storage, apps, gaming, shopping memberships, and dozens of other services. The problem is that these payments often happen automatically. You don't feel like you're spending money, but your bank account does. Imagine you have 8 subscriptions averaging Rs 300 each. That's Rs 2,400 every month. That's nearly Rs 29,000 a year. And the worst part, You might barely use half of them. So once every few months, go through your bank statement and ask, am I actually using this? If the answer is no, cancel it. Number 5, EMIs make expensive things feel cheap. This is a big one. You see a phone costing Rs 80,000. That sounds expensive. But then you see only Rs 3,233 per month. Suddenly it feels affordable. And that's exactly where the problem begins. Because you're not thinking about the total cost, you're thinking about the monthly payment. Then you buy the phone, then a laptop on EMI, then furniture, then a vacation, then maybe a car. Each individual payment looks manageable, but together, they can consume a huge percentage of your salary. This is why you should always ask, what is the total amount I'm paying? Not, how much is the EMI? If you can't comfortably afford the product without the EMI trick making it look cheap, consider waiting. Number 6, food delivery can quietly destroy your budget. Let's be honest. Food delivery is convenient, you're tired after work, you don't want to cook, you open an app, you order dinner. It doesn't feel like a major expense. But let's say one order costs Rs 400. You order 3 times a week. That's around Rs 800 per month. And that's before adding snacks, coffee, drinks, and weekend meals. The solution isn't necessarily cooking every single meal. Instead, create a simple rule. For example, I'll order food only twice a week, or I'll keep my monthly food delivery budget at Rs 2,000. The important thing isn't the exact number. It's having a limit. Number 7, you don't pay yourself first. This is one of the most important money habits. Most people follow this system. Salary, spend, bills, whatever is left, savings, and guess what happens? Usually, there isn't much left. Instead, reverse the system. Salary, savings, bills, spending. For example, if you earn Rs 50,000, automatically move Rs 5,000 or Rs 10,000 into a separate savings or investment account shortly after payday. Now you have to manage the remaining money. This is called paying yourself first. And automation makes it even easier, because you don't have to rely on motivation every month. Your money moves before you get a chance to spend it. Number 8, you don't have a budget. Some people hear the word budget and immediately think, I don't want to track every rupee I spend, and that's understandable. But a budget doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a spreadsheet with 50 categories. You can start with just 4: needs, wants, savings and investments, debt payments. That's it. Let's say you earn Rs 50,000. You might decide Rs 25,000 for needs, Rs 10,000 for savings and investments, Rs 8,000 for wants, Rs 7,000 for debt or other financial goals. The exact numbers will depend on your situation. The point is that your money should have a plan before you spend it. Number 9, you're trying to look rich instead of becoming wealthy. This might be the most important psychological mistake. You see someone with a new car. You want one. Someone buys the latest iPhone. You want one. Someone takes an expensive vacation. You want one too. Social media makes this even worse. You're constantly seeing people showing their best moments. And you start comparing your life with their highlight reel. But here's the thing, looking wealthy and being wealthy are completely different. Someone can drive a Rs 20 lakh car and have Rs 15 lakh in debt. Another person might drive a basic car and have millions invested. You can't see someone's bank account from their Instagram posts. So stop spending money just to impress people who aren't paying your bills. Build wealth quietly. Number 10, you don't know where your money is going. This is perhaps the simplest problem to fix. For just 1 month, track everything. Every coffee, every subscription, every online order, every cab ride, every restaurant, every cash payment. Don't judge yourself. just record it. At the end of the month, look at the numbers. You might discover that you spend Rs £8,000 on food delivery, or Rs £5,000 on subscriptions and entertainment, or Rs £10,000 on impulse shopping. You can't fix a problem you can't see. Tracking your expenses gives your money a spotlight. And once you know where it's going, you can decide where it should go instead. So, how do you stop your salary from disappearing? Let's make this extremely simple. When your salary arrives, follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Save first. Move a fixed amount into savings or investments. Step 2. Pay your essential bills. Rent, utilities, transportation, food, insurance and other necessities. Step 3. Set limits for wants. Entertainment, shopping, restaurants, subscriptions and hobbies. Step 4. Control EMIs and high-interest debt. Don't let monthly payments consume your future income. Step 5. Track your spending. Not forever. Start with just 1 month. After that, you'll have a much clearer picture of your financial habits. And remember, you don't need to stop enjoying your life to become financially responsible. Money is meant to be used. The goal isn't to become the person who never spends. The goal is to make sure your spending matches your priorities. Because earning more money doesn't automatically make you wealthy. Keeping more of it does. You can earn Rs £30,000 and save consistently. You can earn Rs £50,000 and spend everything. You can earn Rs 1 lakh and still feel broke. Your income matters, but your financial habits matter just as much. So the next time your salary arrives, don't ask, "What can I buy?" Ask, "What should this money do for me?" Because every rupee you earn has a job. Some should pay for today. Some should protect you from emergencies. And some should build the life you want tomorrow. Start giving your money a plan, and you may be surprised by how much of your salary you can actually keep. If this video helped you understand your money better, subscribe for more simple personal finance videos designed for beginners. And remember, don't just work for your money. Learn how to make your money work for you.